Hello, everyone. Let's continue learning the dialogues from the HSK1 textbook. This conversation contains a lot of knowledge that has already been learned, and we will only explain new Chinese characters. 大家好 means hello, everyone, and 您好 means hello, how do you do? The word 你们 means you. Let's first break down the phrase 大家好. We've already learned the character 好, which means good. Let's first learn how to write the Chinese character 人. This Chinese character means person. The character 人 is shaped like a human figure. The first character in the phrase is 大, which means big or large. Its shape resembles a person with arms outstretched, trying to appear as big as possible. That's how it came to stand for the concept of large. The characters 大 and 小 are antonymous. Let's learn the character 家, which means home and family. It has two parts. The top part is the radical 民, which stands for a house or roof. The bottom part is 室, the Chinese word for pig. You may wonder why people used a house plus a pig to represent home instead of a house and a person. In ancient times, pigs were valuable wealth. If a family could raise pigs, it meant they lived in a safe place, had enough people, and plenty of food. Just by adding a pig under the roof, this character tells us the home is safe, well off, and everyone lives and works together. Let's take a look at the ancient form of the character 喜. The structure of this 齿 is very similar to a pig's appearance. We've learned that 家 means home and family. Now let's talk about the word 大家. Literally, it means all families. In ancient times, people lived in groups of families. When we say all families, it naturally refers to all the people around us, everyone. That's why 大家 means everybody. There is a deeper idea here. In Chinese culture, we see every individual as part of a big collective family. We don't just think of ourselves as separate people. We feel connected, just like members of one big family. So when we use 大家, it carries a warm sense of unity. We are all together, caring for one another as a big family. 大家好 is a warm greeting, treating everyone present as members of one big family. Now let's learn 您好, a more polite and respectful way to say hello. 您 comes from the character 你, with an extra 心 added below. It means we keep the other person in our heart. This word is used to show respect to elders, leaders, or people of higher status. So 您好 is a polite greeting for people we admire and respect. 你好 is a casual greeting for peers, while 你好 is a polite way to show respect to elders or people of higher status. Let's take a look at the ancient form of the character 姓. In Chinese culture, the character 姓 stands not only for the physical heart, but also for our emotions, feelings, and inner thoughts. The radical ills is just a modified form of 姓. Almost all characters with this radical relate to moods and feelings. Traditional Chinese culture believes our true feelings come from the heart. We see the heart as the center of our inner world, where joy, sadness, care, and all kinds of emotions live. Now let's look at the character 们. It has no separate meaning by itself. Its job is to turn a single person into a group of people. So 你 means you, while 你们 means you. It's a simple character to show plural form for people in Chinese. The right part of the character 们 is men. Here, men only indicates the pronunciation of the whole character. The character 门 means door. Let's look at its ancient form. Doesn't it look just like a big door? Now let's review the conversation we just had. 大家好，您好，你们。Today's class is over. If you like my teaching, you can subscribe to my channel.